Have you heard of Succeed at UNT? If you haven't, it's a resource across campus whenever you need it so you can succeed at UNT. To help guide you through your first semester, there are Succeed at UNT banners across campus. Scan the QR code to access the official Succeed at UNT website, a hub for all campus information that provides you with the keys to navigating your semester. The banners are located at the University Union and can be found at each entrance. You can also find the banners at the Willis Library entrance. Got classes at Discovery Park or UNT at Frisco? There are also banners at each of those locations. Here at UNT, we take pride in connecting our students with the tips to succeed not only at UNT, but after UNT. Visit succeed.unt.edu for more information to unlocking the keys to succeed at UNT.